This is 2018 VW Amarok. Basically, have a look. Customer saying engine light on, uh, coil light flashing, and engine light on. But however, now I can't see any engine warning light there. But like this problem, very difficult to say what's going on. However, I will log into the computer and have a look. What's the faulty code there? You can see there is a two faulty codes. P246300 particle filter restriction, Soot accumulation bank 1, and again P200200 particle trap bank 1 efficient below the threshold. Basically, some reason I feeling this one some permanent faulty code. However, I'll try to clear this faulty code. You can see all clear up. Going back, read faulty codes. Yeah, still there. Right. No need to panic too much. We'll see the data stream 1 and DIF. This one. Yeah. Okay. PSI, millibars. We need to see. Need to have a look. Millibars. Yeah. Millibars. This one. Right. At the moment, while it's idle, graphic. Some reason my sensors gone. It's yes, it came out. Yeah, gone. Come on. No. Finally, it's there. Right, you can see it's 89 millibars at the moment. While I put RPM, increase the RPM around 1500, 500. Yeah, little bit further up. Yeah, right. You can see 165. Yeah, basically this is too high for this car. Already check up the car. Lift axle stand underneath. Right. Normally your pressure sensor sit on right behind of there. You can see that this aluminium cover, like the not cover, something like a covering with that thing. However, I'll remove and I'll come back to you. Yeah, I remove the heat protection cover or pouch or whatever you can name it to this one. I don't know what's exactly the name for this one, but I know this is the heat protection seal or something like that. After that, you can see this is the sensor, right? So in the right hand side in here, close to the what do you call the passenger side, basically there is a two line. Whatever close to the passenger line, this is the front one we need to inject from here. If you choosing the right hand side door close to the driver side tube, you will get the wrong answer and you will inject after the DPF. So because of that, using this one. However, once I remove, I'll show you, because today I don't have anyone to do the filming. I'm doing everything my own today. So basically, easy way, remove the sensor and take out from this screw. Then after that, you can see here this screw here. There is a screw. Basically take out, then after that you have a clear access for the tube. Once I remove it, I'll come back to you. You can see this is the close to the passenger side one. When you do, you know what you are doing. Basically remove the screw. There is after that plastic clip connector there, remove it. Then after that you can remove the that pipe. If it not come out, spray a little bit WD-40. Then after that what I did, I using this tool and slowly push out. It still came out. Then after that I'm ready to inject the chemical. Now I'm ready for the inject chemical. 1 liter chemical there. See? Yeah. So I'm going to this one injector to that hose. Then after that I'm inject all chemical. Then after that I'll come back to you. I'm going to install this one to the pipe here. Then after that I'm going to inject all chemical through the pipe. It take a bit time. After the inject this chemical, I'll reconnect everything what I removed from here, including the heat cover. Then after that I'll come back to you. All chemical inject and bit hard to put it that cover. Yeah, but however finally managed to done everything done to that side. Now I'm going to start the car and move to the next process. Right, you can see now engine management and the coil sign both on. Right, okay, again I need to check the differential pressure. Right, next step I'm going to hold the RPM around 2000 and we'll see what's going on for the here. 248. I'll hold it like that maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Then after that I'll come back to you. You can see gradually it's coming down the pressure. Same RPM. It's coming down. You can see 166, 58. Slowly it's coming down. Yeah. However, after 3 4 minutes time, I'll come back to you. Little bit smoke. You can see now RPM 2500 around. It's 61 millibars. Before RPM 1500, even you saw around 175 millibars back pressure. However, the process work as should be. You can see it came under 60 now. Yeah, still little bit smoke. We need to little bit wait until it's coming down. Yeah, right. You can see now while it's idle, it's 10. It's need to come under 10. However, this one I will take to the road test. Then after that, it will come back to the normal because I need to see regen process happen. Then after that, this one come into the normal stage. And also while this 1500 RPM, yeah, yeah. Now 28. It's very good too. Basically before 175, 76 something before. Yeah, all good now. Now next step, we'll see what we can do for the this engine management light and low plug light. I need to go to the special function. Now I'm going to switch off the car. Ignition on and exit from here. Read faulty codes. You can see particular filter, differential pressure, no communication because I remove couple of times sensor. That's why after that I start couple of time, because when I inject the chemical I don't want to go back to the the turbo. Because of that I couple of time remove the sensor and start the car. That's why this faulty code came. However, I'm going to clear all DTC. It's clear up, but still it's there. Can you see? It's still there. Right. What we need to do now, as a sleeping faulty code is there, we need to go to the facial function or adaptation. We'll see. Right. At the moment you can see very low battery. However, I need to change the computer and I'll come back to you. Right. According to the this computer, right, adaptation and this one, particular filter installation. Okay, settings, yeah, 0. Okay, trouble codes. Oh, trouble code not there. Hmm. Right, if it that way, I don't want to do anything for the bingo. I didn't do any adaptation, so it's I'll try to do it adaptation, but however it's won't allow to me because this is 2018-19. Sometimes security gateway needed, that's why I try. We'll see. Any faulty code? No faulty code. Yeah, lovely. Before you saw we are not allowed to do anything, but however without knowing anything something happened. Anyway, it's fine. If it that way, yeah, it's all good. Yeah, you know what to do. I go with here, then after that try to do the, you can see, particle filter installation. So it's not work for me. It's asked the security gateway, but however when I came back and reset the light, it's work. Yeah, if it works then no need to worry. Anyway, however, finally we done the job. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Short and sweet. All good now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.